China's economic engine roared in the late 20th century. Its manufacturing prowess surged. Global trade became its lifeblood. Shanghai, with its strategic location on the Yangtze River Delta, was poised to be a major shipping hub. But there was a problem. The city's existing port infrastructure was bursting at the seams. It was outdated and lacked the capacity to handle the exponential growth in cargo traffic. China needed a solution, and it needed it fast. A bold vision began to take shape. Why not build a new port, not just any port, but the world's largest and most advanced, and not on land but out at sea? This was the genesis of Yangshan Port, a testament to China's ambition and engineering might. This ambitious project aimed to alleviate the pressure on Shanghai's existing port facilities. It also sought to cement China's position as a global leader in maritime trade. The sheer scale of the undertaking was daunting, a monumental challenge for even the most seasoned engineers. But China was undeterred, driven by an unwavering belief in its own capabilities. The location chosen for Yangshan Port was as audacious as the project itself. It lay 30 kilometers or 18.6 miles off the coast of Shanghai in the Hangzhou Bay. This strategic positioning offered several advantages. The deep waters allowed for the accommodation of supersized cargo ships that were becoming the norm in global shipping. Building on land would have been challenging and costly. It would have required extensive dredging and land reclamation. Constructing an artificial island offered a more feasible solution. It provided the necessary space and minimized disruption to existing infrastructure and ecosystems. However, this offshore location presented significant engineering challenges. The area was prone to strong winds, turbulent seas, and a harsh marine environment. Overcoming these obstacles would require innovative solutions and a mastery of engineering ingenuity. The open sea is a formidable adversary. It throws a barrage of challenges at those who dare to build upon it. The engineers tasked with constructing Yangshan Port faced a multitude of obstacles. The Hangzhou Bay, known for its strong currents and unpredictable weather patterns, was a particularly challenging environment. The seabed, composed of soft clay, posed a major challenge for laying a stable foundation. Typhoons, a regular occurrence in the region, threatened to disrupt construction and damage the partially built structures. The corrosive saltwater environment demanded special materials and techniques to ensure the longevity of the port. These challenges required not just conventional engineering solutions, but a pioneering spirit and a willingness to push the boundaries of what was considered possible. Constructing a massive artificial island in the middle of the sea was a feat of unprecedented scale. The first step was to create a solid foundation on the seabed. This was achieved through a process known as vibrocompaction. This technique involved using giant vibrating probes to compact the soft clay and make it denser and more stable. Over 10,000 steel piles, each measuring up to 80 meters or 262 feet in length, were then driven into the seabed. These piles acted as the port's deep foundations, providing the necessary support for the massive weight of the structures that would be built upon them. Millions of cubic meters of sand were then dredged from the seabed and used to fill the area between the piles, creating a vast, level platform upon which the port would stand. Section 5. A symphony of concrete and steel building the superstructure of Yangshan Port. With the foundation securely in place, the next phase involved constructing the port's superstructure. This was a monumental undertaking, requiring vast quantities of concrete and steel. Over 72 million cubic meters of earth and rock were used to create the artificial islands. Massive prefabricated concrete blocks, some weighing over 20,000 tons, were used to build the port's quays and breakwaters. These blocks were manufactured on land and then transported by sea to the construction site. Giant cranes, some capable of lifting over 1,000 tons, were used to carefully lower these blocks into place like pieces of a giant jigsaw puzzle. The construction process was a marvel of logistics and coordination. Thousands of workers, operating around the clock, worked tirelessly to bring this ambitious project to life. Section 6. Connecting the island to the mainland, the Donghai Bridge, an engineering marvel. Building the port was only half the battle. Connecting this offshore behemoth to the mainland posed another significant challenge. This was achieved through the construction of the Donghai Bridge, the longest sea bridge in the world at the time of its completion in 2005. Spanning over 32 kilometers or 20 miles, the 6-lane bridge was a marvel of engineering. It featured a cable-stayed design with massive concrete pylons soaring over 200 meters or 656 feet above the sea, supporting the bridge deck with steel cables. The Donghai Bridge not only provided a vital link between Yangshan port and mainland China, but also served as a powerful symbol of China's engineering prowess and its determination to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Section 7, a technological triumph: innovations that made Yangshan possible. The construction of Yangshan port was not just a feat of engineering, but also a showcase of technological innovation. From the specialized equipment used to the groundbreaking techniques employed, Yangshan pushed the boundaries of what was possible in maritime construction. The vibro-compaction method used to stabilize the seabed was a key innovation. This technique allowed engineers to create a solid foundation in a challenging marine environment. The use of prefabricated concrete blocks manufactured on land and transported to the site significantly sped up the construction process. The development of high-performance concrete, resistant to the corrosive effects of salt water, was crucial for ensuring the longevity of the port. These technological advancements played a pivotal role in the successful completion of this mega project. Section 8. The heart of global trade: Yangshan Port's economic impact. Since its opening in 2004, Yangshan Port has transformed China's maritime landscape. It has become the world's busiest container port, handling a staggering volume of cargo each year. In 2021 alone, the port handled over 47 million 20-foot equivalent units of cargo, more than any other port in the world. The port has played a pivotal role in facilitating China's economic growth, enabling the country to become the world's factory floor. It has created hundreds of thousands of jobs, both directly and indirectly, boosting the local and national economy. Yangshan Port has established itself as a linchpin of global trade, connecting China to the rest of the world and cementing its position as a major player in the global supply chain. Section 9, a city on the sea: life and work at Yangshan Port. Yangshan Port is not just a collection of docks and cranes, it's a bustling city on the sea, teeming with life and activity. The port is home to thousands of workers who live and work on the artificial islands, operating the port 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The port has its own residential areas, complete with apartments, supermarkets, restaurants, and recreational facilities. There are also schools, hospitals, and other essential services catering to the needs of the port's growing population. Life at Yangshan Port is a unique blend of industrial efficiency and a self-contained community, a microcosm of China's rapid development and its ambition to conquer new frontiers. Section 10. Looking ahead: the future of Yangshan and China's maritime ambitions. Yangshan Port is not a static entity, it's a constantly evolving megastructure. The port is currently undergoing further expansion, with plans to add more terminals and increase its capacity even further. China is also investing heavily in automation and artificial intelligence, with the aim of making Yangshan a smart port that operates with even greater efficiency and sustainability. The port is experimenting with driverless trucks and automated cranes, technologies that promise to revolutionize the shipping industry. Yangshan Port is a testament to China's long-term vision and its determination to remain at the forefront of global trade and technological innovation. Section 11. Conclusion: a testament to human ingenuity and China's global ascendancy. Yangshan Port stands as a monument to human ingenuity and ambition. This engineering marvel rising from the sea is a testament to China's growing economic might and its determination to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. The port has transformed China's maritime landscape, propelling the country to the forefront of global trade. It stands as a powerful symbol of China's ascendancy on the world stage, a beacon of innovation and progress. Yangshan Port is not just a port, it's a statement, a bold declaration of China's ambitions and its unwavering belief in its own capabilities. It's a glimpse into the future, a future where China continues to shape the world around it one megastructure at a time.